In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily enable and disable Windows Media Player in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, we are going to disable the Windows Media Player. So how we can do so? At the bottom search bar, please type for Control Panel. Once you've typed that, the best match should appear. Please wait until you can see an option where you can click on Open to continue. So please click on it. And in a few moments, you would be able to see the control panel window. Okay, all you need to do is you need to wait until it would be ready for you. Okay, so here you need to change the view into large icons. How we can do so, go with the view by and click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you're good, you need to navigate on the locating for programs and features where I can see it is being placed at the first column next to mail. So click on it and you would be able to see your program or application that you have installed here in your Windows. So here you need to navigate to the left pane of it where you can see turn Windows features on or off. Okay, so tap on it and in that way you would be able to bring up this kind of window which contains the Windows features. So here you need to locate for Windows Media Player. Okay, you need to locate for it. So just have to find it first. Okay, let's find it first before we can disable it. Okay, so that's it. Yes, it's here under the media features. All you need to do is you need to uncheck the box, okay, and click on yes. Okay, and in that way you won't be able to use the Windows Media Player application in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So click on yes, and in that way you would be able to disable it. Okay, so on the contrary, if you would like to enable that in your case, you just have to navigate to the same process, and that is to click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Okay, and from here, go with the media features. Okay, click on this add icon and check this box. Okay, so check the box, which is Windows Media Player, and click on OK. And wait after it would be completed. Once done, in that way, you would be able to enable the Windows Media Player in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.